Scully Islands.
I'd much rather come here for some R&R, trust me. Blue water, white sand, and the beach babes.
Rebel fleet spotted. Quite a sight, eh? It's vital that we win this battle. Scarface Squadron, let's go!
Fire all weapons! Annihilate the Allied forces! Failure is not an option!
That's some heavy anti-aircraft fire. Careful! Confirmed kill!
Fox 2.
Target within missile range! Get a lock on them and fire! Shoot them out of the sky!
Good, keep it up.
Is it those mercenaries?
So, is that the little birdie I've heard so much about? Let's introduce ourselves, boys.
Phoenix, rebel fighters headed your way. Careful!
Come on, little birdie. Care to dance? I'm starting to get jealous of those warships.
Target acquired.
Try again. So it bites.
Are you alright, my lady?
I've been better. Cocoon Squad, fall back and regroup.
Confirmed kill. Target destroyed.
Launch those fighters now! Got it! You heard the man! Launch all available aircraft!
4 rebel warships remaining.
Warship 3 is in flames! All systems are offline! How could measly fighters get the best of our fleet? I know that isn't taking hard. It's the Allied forces firebird! Ignore the rumors! Just take him down! There's a leak in the starboard lower deck! We're sinking! Go on! This ship is the only one left? What's with this damn pilot?
1 ship remaining. Go get them.
I'll handle the escorts. You focus on the fleet.
He's still on me! Missed! Behind me!
Nice moves. You're out of special weapons. The enemy fleet has been destroyed. The Allied forces now have control of the Southern Sea. But there's still rebel presence. Scarface Squadron, you have new orders. Wipe out all rebel presence in the area.
This is a hefty trophy we've got here, boys. Don't slip up now. Roger, defend our fleet to the death. Platoon Squadron, head out.
There should be an opening somewhere in their cluster formation. Keep steady and watch their movements. There should be a break at some point. That'll be your opening.
You'll never take down our queen!
Phoenix, there's someone on your tail. They're right on you. Evasive maneuvers.
Move in for the kill. Get some distance, boys.
Lock onto target.
Knock 2.
Now, do it! Nice moves. We've got another hostile. It's that red fighter again.
Who's the Red Avenger? He with the Allied forces?
Negative. He has the same identification code as us.
Please, I don't need any interruptions. I'm right behind you.
Target acquired. Watch out for the missile.
Red fighter again. Who the hell is this guy?
Perfect timing, pretty boy. Cocoon Squad, fall back and regroup.
Copy that.
Now, do it! Lock onto target. Is that red aircraft's pilot the same as before? Its moves are even sharper than last time. The red fighter is retreating. Forget him, Phoenix. Focus on the mission.
Did you miss us, Birdie? This time, I'll stick around until you're a charred blot on the ground.
You'll never take down our queen!
Come on, boys. We're pulling out. We lost Bruno. Damn it. I'm gonna miss him. Wouldn't you like to believe that?
I can't detect!
I see. We won't forget you.
Yes, my lady.
You heard him, boys. Take one down for Rodrigo.
Milady, we've lost Kyle!
That good-for-nothing pigeon.
Lock onto target.
They got a lock on me.
The enemy has a lock on you.
Milady, may the battle be yours!
And then there was one. Pretty impressive work. Looks like I'm the only partner you got left. So let's dance, Birdie. Can't you take a hint? You're right behind me. Well done, boys. Not bad at all.
No enemy presence detected in immediate airspace. That was a tough battle, but you handled it well.
Phoenix, I've got a newfound respect for you. You're one mean pilot. Here's some more battles together. I'm counting on you from here on out, lead.